E37 of 2021, Constitution, Uniano, Masiga, Joseph, Wingine. Just a minute. Yes, Mr. Let me call it again. E37 of 2021. 37 of 20, Johnson Munyanda, Monica Mafoha, and others. Yes, Mr. Isaac. Right, I know. Oh,
Your Honor, if it may please you.
yes.
Good afternoon or good morning.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Ochutsi.
Morning.
Mr. Ochutsi. Ochutsi appearing for the plaintiff.
Your Honor, the matter.
Yes.
Simiyu for the 5th and 6th defendants.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, the matter comes up for hearing.
Mr.
Ochutsi for the plaintiff.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, we filed a supplementary list of documents and reply to both the 1st to 4th defendants' defense and the reply to defense of the 5th and 6th defendants.
Yes.
Your Honor, last time we were before you gave directions as to compliance and you directed that parties exchange documents within 14 days.
Yes.
Mr. Rene, who was coming up again in this matter, having initially been replaced, indicated to the court that he had filed a trial bundle. Now,
Okay.
Your Honor, he has not served us with the trial bundle, but we have discovered it is a 182-page document, 182 pages of documents which he has filed, but has not effected service to us. Your Honor, this is not the first time Mr. Rene is doing so. Again, I'll refer you to there's a replying affidavit we did. It is dated 5th of April 2022.
Yes.
And there's an email dated 30th of March 2022, where we were pleading with Mr. Rene to serve us with some of his documents which he had filed. So it is, he is used to this type of practice. Now, in the circumstances, Your Honor, we are not able to. Yes, in the circumstances, Your Honor,
yes,
we are not able to proceed because there are documents which have been filed. If we do proceed in that manner, then it will heavily prejudice the plaintiff.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Rene, you're being accused of not serving. You've served or you haven't? You served. Is it this document I'm saying here? No, he's finished. He says it's your practice. Yes. He says it's not ready to proceed.
It appears that we're trying to drag the name. It's not true. The trial bundle was served on Alex Becker.
Just a minute, let me record that. Was served upon who? Which record? Which company advocate? Okay.
That was served on 2nd of September, and he said, with the file family
Okay.
at 18 a.m. And then the service was fine.
I'm unable to get my colleague.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
Money was served instead of starting to fire.
Okay.
Not inside.
Mm.
So someone said it September at 18 a.m. And then the service was fine.
Subbed on 2nd of September.
Yes.
Okay, that's okay.
This sentiment is completely disrespectful to me.
Mm.
Point number two, I have seen he has filed a reply to friends yesterday.
Okay.
Secondly, he has also filed a surveillance report. But I'm applying that the reply to the friends filed yesterday, together with that surveillance report, is struck out today for the following reasons. The law is clear that we will continue of the rules.
Just a minute.
It's close.
13.
Yes.
Yeah.
The is closed 14 days of defense, for 14 days of the service of defense. Our defense was found way back in 2021.
Just a minute. Start then on.
Wow. That is 4 years ago. 3 weeks closed to 2021. He's filing the library after filing the survey report that he can sanitize gaps in his case. That is procedural and improper. Doesn't part of the same and the process. We are ready for the hearing. Let him produce his witness on the witness box for examination. Him trying to delay the matter with the unfounded allegations is completely over. It's only brief from that time. It's only brief. You must be ready to go on the hearing.
Okay.
The matter has also gone to the EHC general opinion.
Yeah, remember that.
On which of the layer is trying to finally know the matter with respect to property.
Okay, let me hear what Mr. Simiyu has to say. Okay, Mr. Ochutsi, Mr. Rene says that the farm was it Mbeka Company was served on the 2nd of September 2025 at 8:18 with the bundle that you say you've not been served with. And then he also refers to the surveyor's report, and what was the other document, Mr. And a reply to defense, which he says you filed out of time, pleadings closed in the year 2021. So he the record. That is essentially what he said, and he says he's ready to proceed.
You know, can I respond briefly, or you want Mr. Simiyu first to go?
Mr. Simiyu can say something. I'm not
Yes.
Now that he has heard what both of you have said. Mr. Simiyu, what do you say?
On my part, I'm ready. On my part, I'm ready to proceed.
Yes.
What the other counsel are raising, I leave it to the court to decide. But on my part, I'm ready to proceed.
Mr. Ochutsi, what do you say?
Yes, I'll respond briefly. Your Honor, we have not yet received the only document which we received from Mr. Rene, which Mr. Mbeka received was his notice of appointment when he was when he was coming on record on
Yes.
behalf replacing Mr. I.M. Mutiso. Number two, Your Honor, this matter, pleadings are never closed. Your Honor, immediately
Pardon?
Mr. Rene filed a defense, he filed an application on the
Yes.
very day he filed a defense. And therefore, this matter has had a record of applications, including the latest application which you dismissed and directed that parties congregate for pre-trial, the last date in September. Your Honor, you gave parties leave to comply and to file all the relevant documents that they intended to rely on. And that is why we deemed it fit to make a response to that defense and also to file the surveyor's report. There is no prejudice whatsoever that will be suffered by the defendants if the survey report is made part of the documents, is allowed by this court to be part of the documents that the plaintiff intends to rely on. And Your Honor, this matter touches on land property. In fact, one of the last directions was that the court will be able to visit the suit properties.
Yes, I
Yes,
see that.
it will only be sensible that the court visits when when the surveyor's report is equally on record. Your Honor, having not been served the documents, I will not be able to proceed. I want to ask that the court allows me to equally file other documents that are in relation to what Mr. Rene has filed.
Mr. Ochutsi, man, how
Your-
many witnesses? How many witnesses will you have for this matter?
For this matter, Your Honor, I'll have 3 witnesses: the plaintiff,
Yes.
his wife, and the surveyor.
On the defendant side, Mr. Rene, 4 witnesses. Mr. Simiyu?
You're not be calling a witness. I'll be relying on our statement of defense. That's
Okay,
fine.
Mr. Let's do this since he says you've not served him. I don't know if it's so.
It's not true.
Not true. Okay, let's. Okay, would it be on the platform? So, okay, Mr. Ochutsi, that it said that this bundle is on the platform. Just kindly check, and I don't know if you print it.
Your Honor, having not been
Or you
served,
want
then I will also be requesting that, because some of those documents, some of the documents which have been filed are part of another matter pitting the plaintiff and the 4 defendants in another matter, E18 of 2024, and the way they have been brought in, let us also be allowed to file documents.
Okay, I'm not refusing. I am. He says it's on the platform.
Fine,
You
Your
can
Honor.
just serve it. Why I'm asking how many witnesses you're having is that I want to put it on a date that there aren't so many cases on a date.
Your Honor, my only worry is this: if you ask me to download, Mr. Rene will never serve as any documents in the future. If you ask me to download from my end, it will sanitize Mr. Rene's failure to serve us.
Okay, just.
This matter.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's very clear, Your Honor. In fact, I should apply for him to be back in the executive. It's further, that's the problem.
No, okay, it's okay. Okay, that one is noted. Anyway, do you have an extra copy? You just have it served upon him. There's no harm. Just serve it. Just serve him now that it's come to court. I'll know that you've served. Just serve it. let him reply. Let's even let him have that survey report. I don't see any prejudice that you'll suffer. You look at it and then you'll see if you have any response to it anyway. I don't know what it is all about, but let's allow him to let's have it filed just in the interest of justice. Yeah, I'm allowing that. I was asking because I'm already thinking of date to give you. I see the way the file is and other documents are still coming.
Themselves ourselves.
Mm.
Those happen that they're enjoying an injunction 21
Mm.
and using the strength of the land.
Okay.
So in that position,
Okay, who is on it at the moment? No one.
then that should be injunction.
Mm.
Yes, that's
Mr. Ochutsi, another issue also.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rene says that I buy
That? Your Honor, sorry, I'm not getting you.
you from entertainment. I'm
Your
saying,
Honor, sorry,
Mr.
sorry, I'm not getting
Rene
you.
says,
Yes,
maybe it's, can you hear me now?
yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, Mr. Rene says that I bar anyone from entering that land pending the hearing.
Your Honor, the High Court already made a decision on that. And there is those that will be very adverse. Let him put up an application. He is familiar. He has come up with several applications. I think that is the
I'm avoiding applications.
Yes.
I'm avoiding. Okay, let's do this. Since you're saying the High Court already decided on that.
Yes.
Let's do this. Let's just maintain the status. Let me give you a date. You come hear this thing and do away with it.
Sure.
When I looked at the file for the first time, actually there is an order saying that this matter should be dealt with expeditiously. That's why I dealt with the first two applications expeditiously.
Yes.
Now, let's just maintain the status quo the way it is. Let me just give you a date. Let's avoid this too many applications on the file, unless it's really necessary. Is that okay, Mr. Rene? Let's just leave it at that. But if you, okay, let me see which date I can give. What I'm avoiding is too many applications over.
Just give us a date this month.
This month,
Yes,
it means I'm going to give you. I don't really. Do we really have a date this month? Tuesday is out. We can't give on Tuesday behind. Unless it's a Friday, maybe. Friday, do you have any Friday?
Your Honor, Friday is not convenient for me.
And
no, it has to be convenient because now we don't have dates. If I need, I'll jump to December or January.
Your Honor, I have other responsibilities that I carry out on Fridays in the office, which take my whole day. I officiate marriages, Your Honor. So I can't.
Because now it would mean I put it on
that.
a criminal day, which also Friday is the only day that I normally give people who have. But he says,
and you know my October is a bit filled up. I'll take a date in November. If the early
November,
the first week of November.
In November we are on leave. I'll be back in December. From the 1st of December, I'll be around.
Which date do you propose then? Because yes, which date then would you propose?
Let's to Mr. Rene, actually. Any Thursday in October that is okay. That we don't have much. Apparently we have so much work.
Yes, unfortunately, unfortunately, and I have to disclose to the court, in this October, I am in charge of a football team which will be representing the country in CAF Champions League matches.
Now so you're inconveniencing both your colleagues and the court.
No, you're
I'm just being a little bit.
It is Rene, in fact, who has inconvenienced us. He came the other day, he's pushing for the matter to be heard expeditiously. He is not serving us. I was ready to proceed if he had served me with his documents.
Okay, just check. Now, which date do you want? Because in November we are not there. I was squeezing you in October.
Let's take the first week of December. The
First week of December, Mr. Rene.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe that would do. That's
First week of
or
December.
Monday or Friday. Friday it doesn't take. Monday, at least Mondays are a little bit
can take a
better for
Tuesday.
us. Tuesday, no. Those Tuesdays like today, the courtroom is too full. I even don't know how many matters are proceeding. So I don't want to take that risk.
You know, you can take either 1st of December or 4th.
That would be, those are which days?
A Monday and a Thursday. First is on
Yeah,
a Monday,
Monday.
4th is on a Thursday.
Let's take a Monday. 1st of December is how? When we are back,
You know,
we
first of
can squeeze
December.
it in.
Yeah, sure. 1st of December is we'll now have to
Yeah, let's
continue
take
with me.
it. Is it okay? First, Mr. Rene. Mr. Simiyu also is on here. Okay. So
Yes.
you please, if you are replying to this bundle, do it in time and serve, Mr. Rene. Let's not haggle over service again. Let's just come and hear this case and do away with it. Okay? Hmm? Hmm? No, I'll just use the Article 159 and allow it just like that because Pardon? You'll apply. Make the application, we listen to it. Hmm. Okay. Okay, do the application, we'll see. Hoping that it won't again take us back. Okay, hearing on the 1st of December 2025. Parties to exchange all documents to be relied on before them. Okay, let's try 1st of December. If you're filing your application, file it.
Most obliged.
Most obliged, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Jones, who has